Hi, third graders. I'm recording this because a couple of you had questions. I promise we'll get the hang of this, but hopefully this video will help those of you who are feeling a bit confused about science this week. This week there are 4 parts to your assignment. So we are on Investigation 1.2 Surface Tension. I added slide 2 to our presentation because it outlines each of the parts that you need to do. There's reading, which is on slide 3. A video you have to watch, which is on slide 4, or how to access the video is on slide 4. A tutorial, how to access that, is on slide 5. And finally, the investigation, which is linked on slide 6, but I'll show you how to access it on Foss Web as well. So when you log into Foss Web right now, I'm logged in as Asher. I just used Asher's student ID and his school password. With his permission, Asher and I did that together. Once you logged in, you are going to click on Water and Climate. This is what your home screen looks like. The easiest way to get to all the assignments we have is to go under Media Library, Remote Learning Resources, Investigation 1. You're going to scroll down to Part 2, because we're in Part 2, Water on a Slope, and then each of the things you need to do are actually linked right here for you. So on your presentation, Part 1 is the reading, and that is linked right here for you. When you click on it, it will open you right up to the ebook. And it says you need to read pages 6 to 9, so you can navigate your way to pages 6 to 9. Then part 2 is the surface tension video. When you go back to content, it's under video. Again, we're in investigation 1, part 2. It's linked here under video. You're going to watch chapters 1, 2, and 3. You can navigate through chapters by clicking here. You don't need to watch anything other than chapters 1, 2, and 3. The third thing you're assigned is to watch the online tutorial. So if you go back to where we were, you're under Investigation 1, Part 2, Water on a Slope. Underneath the video is the surface tension tutorial. It will link you right to that. And then the last thing you need to do is an actual investigation. I've linked the document here, but that same document is linked under Homeschool Connections. There are 3 different experiments or investigations you can do: berry basket, paper clips in a full glass of water, and water strider. You choose which one you'd like to do. And then in Seesaw, I've uploaded an assignment to you where you upload a picture of yourself doing the experiment and then answer the questions that are listed in this document for each experiment. So for paper clips in a full glass of water, for example, there are a couple questions. Numbers 3, 4, and 5 have questions. So you answer those questions in Seesaw. You don't need to type the question, you can just type the answer. I hope this helps you understand your assignments. I've reworked this a bit, so if you've already figured all this out, no need to watch or to look at or to redo anything. But for those of you who are feeling confused, I reworked it a bit based on the questions everyone was asking me. Hope this video is helpful.